Hello everyone, it's Deb Floros for Beadaholique. I am making some really fun scalloped hexagon earrings. These are beadable frames. They're hexagon shaped, they're two sizes. The large one is 40 millimeters, the small is 30. I've got some incredibly beautiful Miyuki Delica seed beads that are going to be really beautiful together, a pink and an olive color, really gorgeous. So we're going to use some 26 gauge wire, and we're just going to wire wrap the seed beads around these frames. Now, unfortunately, I don't have incredibly good shots of the actual wire wrapping here, my apologies, but you'll want to start by wrapping a few times around just getting to the edge of one of the hexagon sides. So 3 or 4 wraps around, just get that wire nice and tight, and then trim off your excess wire there at the end. Now I've got about 2.5 feet of wire, so that's a lot of wire to start with. You can start with less if you'd like. You're gonna tuck the little edge of your wire onto the frame as well. I'm using 5 seed beads at a time. I'm starting with the pink ones, and I'm just putting it onto the wire and pushing it all the way down to the frame. Then what I want to do is take that little grouping of seed beads and hold onto it while I bend it, sort of curve it around over the top of my frame. Then I'm going to hold on to those beads really tight, and then I'm going to wrap around the other side of that set of 5 beads. And I usually wrap around 3 times. Then I'm going to add 5 more, and that will be the pattern for the remainder of this project. Now, you'll find that your little scallops will not be perfect. And one way I try to remedy that is I use a beading awl to actually push into those scallops to reshape them. So even if they're not perfect, wait till you've got all of your wrapping done for each section of beads. So we're going to do on the large 40 millimeter frame, we're going to do 3 scallops on each side. So 4 wraps, a scallop, 3 wraps, a scallop, 3 wraps, a scallop, and then 4 wraps. And you'll want to wrap around the edge and then get a few wraps, 3 wraps in, and start the same process over again. This is really simple, but the challenge is you're working with a lot of wire, and when you're filming it, it's hard to actually keep it in frame because you've got so much wire. But you'll want to keep that beading awl handy, and when you finish a section, you can go in with that awl and shape, just very carefully shape the scallop so that it is curved. Now you can do a different pattern than me, but I did 2 sections or 2 sides of the hexagon with pink, and then a section of green, 2 sections of pink, and then another section of green. You could do all one color. You could do even break up the colors within each scallop itself. So you could do multicolored scallops with your seed beads in the individual scallop itself. All different kinds of ways that you can make this fun. But I just thought this added kind of a lacy effect around these beadable frames. And I really like the idea of these as statement earrings. So these 40 millimeter pieces are pretty big. And I'm putting them at the bottom and the 30 millimeter at the top, which we'll start beading in a minute. And we are just going to wrap all the way around. You may have to add wire. So I found that I was always just one part of one side of my hexagon short. So you can always add to your wire and just, have it blend right in, because you're doing so much wrapping. You can blend right into where your wrap stopped. So I'm just doing the same thing and, just going through and adding those scallops. Now, you could use just the 40 millimeter beadable frame. You could use just the 30 millimeter beadable frame. I used both, and I love the fact that this earring is big, but it's not heavy. Because we're using seed beads, we're using 11O seed beads, and just these thin beadable frames, they're not heavy. So it's a dramatic, fun, fabulous earring, but it's just not heavy. So now let's do this second one. And because we've got a smaller piece to work with on each side of our hexagon, we're just going to do 2 scallops. So I did kind of the same concept. I did 2 sections of green, 1 section of pink, 2 sections of green, 1 section of pink, and it really just kind of is the opposite, more green on the top one, more pink on the bottom one. And I am using that all again and going through. Even if you do 1 section at a time after you finish them, I went back through and did them all again just to kind of get them nicely shaped. Then I decided to take my frames, look at the one that I already completed, and I flipped them opposite so that the colors are opposite. I've got a large jump ring and I'm attaching the 2 hexagons, and I'm attaching them at a wrap point, and actually where the hexagon comes to a point versus the flat. You can find everything to make these fun earrings at beadaholique.com.